Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again, and guess what we got in the mail? We got the package. We secured the package, so we're gonna go ahead and I don't think I'm gonna do this all today, but it's gonna be like a process. On my Instagram I kind of got like interactive today with everybody, so I went ahead and did a poll if I should do a single exit or dual exit. I wasn't sure about the triple exit because I have two dual wastegates, so I could have essentially two pipes and then the exhaust pipe, but I wasn't sure, so I just did single exit. So I'm waiting on that. I might be doing dual, just because it might well, if I were to do single, it'd make everything way much easier, but I might do dual. But let me show you what my plans is. So right here I got the two pipes. Here's my wastegates. This one more than likely is going to be, if I were to do dual, this one would just directly run and recycle or go into here and then shoot out from there. This one would basically essentially run out like with this right here. So what I would be doing though is I would be cutting that flange and kind of twisting it, so then it kind of like you see like lines up right there with this one. So I'd be kind of moving it around. This one, well, this one I'm leaving that right there, and then this one I might also cut that, slice that up, and then angle it to where I'm running it directly into there. I'll be drilling into that, and then it'll just shoot out from right there. But if I wanted to do like a triple, I'd basically get another one of these pipes and then have it just right here with the 90 or whatever straight into there. But I don't know. For right now, I am gonna go ahead and probably I don't know, figure it out what I want to do. A single would basically just look like that almost, essentially, except there's gonna be more piping. But yeah, I don't know, I might be cutting this one up today and making it fit to where like it'll line up like that with the piping and not need much movement or whatnot. But let's continue. So I got the pipe. This is from the old so this was like a flange that was on the pipe on the one that I have already on. I cut it out, made it straight, just so get rid of that now. And now for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and take a cut right here, and then so cut it like right there so I can get that flange off. And then we're gonna go back to the car. I'm gonna line it up, make sure it's right where I want it to be, and then I don't know if I'm at to either mark it or I'm at to go out there and like tack weld it and then bring it back and weld it all completely. But for now, yeah, we're gonna do that, so we'll see. All right, so I'm hoping this comes out good and I don't cut it cricket, but here goes nothing. I was looking for earplugs or something, but well. It's probably really hot, but I got gloves on. So this is how it came out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sand everything, all this pretty flat down, and same with this side. This literally disintegrated last minute, but it's already done. So alright, so I got it down to as flat as I can get it down to. So let's see how this goes. I'm pretty nervous, So I'm gonna go ahead back to the car, mock it up, and then see what I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna mark it with a marker, that way I bring it back here and then just tack weld it and then do the full weld, or what I'm gonna do. So I'm figuring that out right now. All right, so I lined everything up as far as the flange to the how everything's gonna go, and now it's ready. Now it's time to tack weld it. Oh man, this is scary. As many of you know, I'm not a professional welder. I don't do this for a living. I know the most basic knowledge there is to welding. So my welder couldn't come through. He said he don't got time for me anymore. So let's just cross our fingers and hope this turns out the best possible. This is scary, you guys. This is scary. All right. No, this is coming out like complete shit. I don't know why. I swear I weld better than this. I just don't know why. I think it's because the way I am. I'm kind of annoyed. Fuck, I'm really annoyed. I just know I don't fucking, I can weld better than this shit, dude. Like, I know it. So, I finished it up. I did not like how it looks at all. Like, I don't know what's happening. I can weld better than this. I've gotten practice. Oh, it's hot. I've gotten practice from work where I used to work, and it's just like I don't know what's going on. I made this so I can get a little bit of support, more support, but by then I think I have already fucked everything up. So yeah, I don't know what happened. Kind of upset about it. I don't like it. I grinded it down as much as I could. I have another flange. I'm not worried about it. I might end up cutting it and just redoing the whole thing again, but probably not me this time. Or maybe, I don't know. I feel like I can fucking weld better than this. I know I can. I have pictures of my welds. Like, I practice and I don't know. Also, the welder is popping a lot. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why. So, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it like this just to have it mocked up. I'm gonna go take it to the car and mount it up. Alright, so I got it on. Now one of the bolts, like, it can't get in there, the tight space, so I might just hollow the things out and run it through. Like, it's because they're threaded, so I'm gonna have to just like make it a basic thread and just with them on the other side. But right now that's how it is. But it's angled differently. But I am gonna, like I said, that middle flanges right there, they're gonna disappear, and then there's just essentially it's just gonna be one whole big pipe that's gonna connect to. And during that time, we're gonna twist this back like closer to here, and then we'll be good. It'll be like no clearance. But for now, oh man, that is a pain in the ass. I don't know why the welds are coming out bad. So as I was saying, I stopped right there just because, guess, like, I don't know, the rest is just welding. Like I said, I'm not the best at welding, but I'm not the worst. Like, I've done it before. Stuff has came out pretty good, decent. Like, I'm not like a professional, like I said, but this one just came out like complete hot garbage. It's a little frustrating. Like I said, I got other flanges and I got other stuff, so I'm probably just gonna have it cut, tack weld it, send it off to get welded, and then yeah, we'll see. We'll go from there. I don't know. Like, it does suck. It's frustrating. It's annoying. I don't like it. It's ugly. I'm gonna heat wrap it, but I still don't want it looking like complete shit. So for now, I'm gonna leave it how it is. But that is getting done within the week. Well within the week. So yeah. And then I'll be waiting on a couple more parts. Those parts should be coming in soon. After that, I had to find a way to get this car tuned. I had to get in touch with a tuner that might tune my car, but I might have to get it towed there. I don't know. I gotta get the wheels, the tires back on with the wheels, and then everything, and then put those back on. You guys, we're only getting closer. Like I said, I am gonna do checkups, make sure that everything is fine, like any kind of fluids and stuff like that. I already did the oil. I'm gonna do coolant, maybe get a new radiator. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. There's things I do want to upgrade, you know, but like always, like I say, like, you know, slowly but surely. Gotta be patient with it. But anyways, enough rambling. Anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check the Meister website online down below. We put up those 2 new hoodies as well as the other hoodies that we got. Check them out. We also got Terasukawas. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.
When they pull up